Automotive-grade ABS plastic provides factory finish. Also available in factory colors 99-3000B blue 99 to 3000 grams gray 99-3000BG beige 99-3000BR brown and 99-3000R red. Snap-in quick-release ISO mount brackets. Install dash kit for dual single DIN, ISO or double DIN radios. Designed and manufactured with precision tolerances, resulting in a gapless fit between the dash and the kit. Included components: dash kit, hardware, manual. Painted to match factory dash color. High-grade ABS plastic construction. Factory-style texture. Top reviews from the United States. Fit great. Fit well and was easy to install.